Go home happy with the 2016 Hyundai Tucson. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Give yourself the quality and comfort you deserve with this refined Hyundai Tucson. Meticulously constructed, smooth riding, and equipped with standard driver assist safety features, this compact crossover has what you need to get the most out of every drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: 4-cylinder engine, satellite radio, Bluetooth connection, power driver seat, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, MP3 player, cruise control, 6-speed AT. Quality blends beautifully with convenience in this remarkably well-designed Tucson. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.